Hello, sir. How are you?
Fine. Long time no see, no tea. Port Blair.
Been to
Andaman Nicobar and Port Blair.
been to Chennai for 3 months.
Acha.
Day before yesterday, returned back.
Okay, okay.
So, how is the life?
Pulling on.
How about the war?
War, it will not take place.
But unnecessary waste.
It will not take place. It is only
A drama.
because, see, generally the psychology of any person, if I hit you, you will at least try to hit me.
At least if I give 10
you-
slaps, at least
You
one.
will try to hit me.
Yeah.
But you cannot keep quiet, no? Like
Yeah.
Gandhi.
Yeah.
So, when you retire, when you have hit them badly, they intend to retaliate.
That's all.
That's all. And because they'll retaliate, till such time people will come here, don't fight, don't fight. Okay, Baba, I'll not fight.
Again, after some election comes, then they will start.
And another
Kargil it started. Pathankot it started. This BJP is known for war.
No, BJP is not known. This is most it is an instigated thing. This one, 26 people, they were killed. For what reason? And that too, women.
It's a security failure.
You use it as a security failure. I will use it as.
Terrorist act.
But whatever it is, at least people know that India can teach a lesson. India will not take things lightly.
Let us see.
I'm viewing it that point. Okay, because you are anti-BJP, I know. Huh? I know that. Huh?
I am not anti to anybody. I am anti to any nonsense politics.
Nonsense.
In the name of
politics itself is nonsense. So where is nonsense politics? Politics itself is
Nonsense.
nonsense.
Selfish.
I'll tell you one thing. As long as you are single, not married, attached nothing to anyone, you only want to look to your father, mother, and your sisters, brothers. You are not political. Not political because your mother has something, you'll give. Your sister has something, you'll give. Brother has something, you'll give. If you say don't have anything, you'll go.
You mean to say selfish?
No, it is not selfish. It is the organization's structure.
Yeah.
The moment you get married,
Yeah.
you borrow everything from them. And here you detach. And here you try to attach. And you'll try to compromise, you'll be a failure. Happens or not?
And whoever died, they are blessed.
No, blessed, fine, that is true, but not that type of a death. No. So I definitely accept a death, but not that fearful death.
Correct.
See, if God kills me today when I'm walking, I'm the happiest person.
Yeah.
But someone hitting me on that
pain.
fright is, no, more than that pain, fright. The terror fright.
Yes.
That is, see, when you, I don't know whether you have any time had accidents. I had so many accidents in my life. At that particular time, what you feel is something different.
Yeah.
Sometimes I've fallen from scooter, sometimes some fellow hit me, sometimes midday. So many things happen. I always remember, what was happening in my mind at that time. Yes, okay, I'm doing.
Okay, sir. Have a nice time. Take care. No. Then you will get into trouble.